Good morning, magandang gabi at magandang hapon sa inyo at tanghali sa inyong lahat. Maglalaro tayo ng ang pagiging detective criminal case in part 2. Case number 2 na tayo. Let's go. Part 1 pala. Kasi umpisa pala ng kaso ng kaso ng part 2. Ay kaso ng case. Which is ang victim kasi si Rosa Wolf. Yung una-una nasa si Matt Barry atay. Case number 1. Pakita ko sa inyo sino ang suspect. Ito yung murder weapon, bloody knife. Kutsilyo ang si Matt Barry nga ang Matt Barry ang suspect. Dito na tayo sa corpse in a garden ang tawag. Sa garden naman ang tayo. Officer Sprit, a man called Dave Simpsons, claims he saw body parts in a junkyard garden. And ang una nating suspect. Kasi para lang po madami ito eh. Madami suspects. Go investigate and solve this case as fast as you can. Sample din. Alam ko sa ibang siya eh. Magiging magiging suspect siya eh. Para lang po. Tuloy lang natin to. Madaming Nag-break muna ako kanina. Kaya pagtutuloy na natin ulit. Split Split daw, split. Meron. Tennis racket. Uy, so ito yung kamay. Kamay ng biktima. My name is Steve Simpson. I called the police as soon as I saw the hen in the garden. He didn't stick around Officer Sprit and I will have a look inside. See if we can find the rest of the body. Kamay lang pala yung inimbestigahan natin kanina dun sa junkyard garden. Ito yung biktima. Oh, ito ang so bloody, so ang ginawang pagpatay. Postcard. Oh, ito nga. Putol yung kamay. 50 minutes daw. Ito yung gamit ng victim. Silver liquid. So nauna ako. Nauna ako, guys. You earn a gold ground for being rank 1 in the dirty bathroom. Splendid word, officer. That obviously the second part of our victim. We need to send his body to our lab for autopsy. Ang pangalan ng biktima is Ned Dillard. According to his ID, our victim name was Ned Dillard, and he was a mortgage broker. We should take a better look at these clothes and the bottle of flammable liquid you found next to the bathtub. Oh, and this sword is undoubtedly our murder weapon. Well, that's great. We've already made good progress on this case. In the case, oh. Tagal pa. Pa-autopsy natin sa 24 minutes. Part 1 pa lang to, ah. Yung part 1 na yung pinos ko kahapon is case number 1, si Matt, yung football player, tapos si Rosso. Sobrang bilis. Mabilis ko maghanap, ah. Galing. Siyempre, una-una din ako. Back. Coffee cup. Ay, mali. Mali. Solve ng puzzle, oh. Is ano to? 25A. 0. Two 5A 0 C8. The same applicable chemical is on the detecting tracing loss. Not that we got the complete barcode. We can determine this bottle was there, please let's see. Mini market nearby the owner of this place. Joe's turn. Let's go to talk to him, okay? Kailangan ko siya kausapin. Siyempre, puzzle tayo. Magaling tayo dito eh. Di ba ang galing? Galing! Asap na unang-una ko. Diba? Isa pa. Yun, nice 100. Ay! Ay, oo nga pala. Meron pala tayo. Investigahanin, no? Ay. 20 minutes na lang para ano. Hanapin tayo dito. Golden tooth. Gold tooth. Sa lab para ma-analysis. 2 minutes lang. Kailangan natin kausapin to. Yes, this bottle comes from the shop. So what? Listen, Joe. We need to know what about this bottle. We committed a murder. Look, buddy, you seriously that thing. I keep the track of my customer. 3 dozen of people come in here every day. Mr. Sowell then Officer Street. We have a look at that drawer shop. Just in case there are. Kailangan natin investigahan yung shop ni Joe Stern. Ayun na to. Lighter. Ito nga. Trash bag. Nanguna ulit. Your analysis is finished. Going to resolve now. Okay na. Meron na. You will soon find this suspicious thing. Let's have a look at the trash bag. Minutes na lang yung para ma-autopsy. Ito din. Kailangan ko ito. Nice to meet you, Officer Smith. I'm Grace. I'm the head of this lab and I take care of the calls. Such as tooth you found in victim clothes. As it turned out, it matches the bite marks on the bottle you find asleep. The killer must have been a cup with their teeth and lost his tooth in the process. Either that's really strong cup or our killer get lousy teeth. In any case, Officer Smith, let's go to someone with a missing tooth. Pareha silang missing tooth eh. Si, Joestar, missing tooth din yun eh. Hey, you're right, Speed. Dave Caesar was. This witness is now suspect to you. Killer's profile. Kaya natin kakausapin si Dave Seasons. Yun lang po. Thank you. 40 minutes na lang. Tapos, yung autopsy natin sa body. Tapos, ayun na lang abangan natin. Tapos, examinin natin yung trash bag. Anong laman yan. Thank you.